Here are the top 5 Python libraries for data science analysis as of my last knowledge update in September 2023. NumPy is the fundamental package for scientific computing in Python. It provides support for large, multi-dimensional arrays and matrices, along with a variety of high-level mathematical functions to operate on these arrays. It is the foundation for many other data science libraries in Python. Pandas is a data manipulation and analysis library that provides data structures like data frame and series, making it easier to work with structured data. It offers powerful tools for data cleaning, transformation, and analysis. Matplotlib is a 2D plotting library that allows you to create a wide range of static, animated, or interactive visualizations in Python. It's often used for creating charts, graphs, and other data visualizations. If you like such stuff, subscribe to my YouTube channel Itfo. Seaborn is built on top of Matplotlib and provides a higher-level interface for creating informative and attractive statistical graphics. It simplifies the process of creating complex visualizations and is particularly useful for data exploration. Scikit-learn is a machine learning library that provides simple and efficient tools for data analysis and modeling. It includes a wide range of machine learning algorithms for tasks like classification, regression, clustering, and more. It also offers tools for model selection and evaluation.